Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 GL 450. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 with 362 horsepower and 406 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Accessory chrome package with chrome door handle inserts, chrome hood fins, illuminated running boards, an almond beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof, GL 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, dark wood trim, memory seats, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn wheel for an infotainment center. This GL has 62,913 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.